Okay, before we get started, I'm gonna ruin the look for you. Sorry, this is what I'm gonna look like. Oh my god, overwhelming. Oh my god. She's never done a look like that before. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I am recording with natural light today. Well, I'm always recording with natural light here because I didn't bring set light. My lighting is a little funky, so hopefully everything will be tolerable in post, but if not, I just wanted to apologize in advance that my lighting is a little funky. Hopefully we'll still be able to get some quality content. So yeah, if you see lighting changes, or even I think I ended up moving my camera a few times to make sure lighting was decent. Sorry. Okay, so on to the video. Hello everyone, it's Kendall here. If you're new around here, welcome. If you're not new around here, what is up? Home Skillet Biscuit, and here I am in another one of these shirts. Y'all mad? I'm just kidding. I get so many jokes on Twitter about the shirts that at this point I kind of just don't want to not. I want to forever wear these shirts, but this time I actually have a reason to, because today I'm actually reviewing something while I'm over here. I kind of talked about how me and KBeauty, I just haven't been feeling like, I feel like we've been growing apart. Like we haven't been like the way we used to be. And one of the reasons why is because collections weren't like catching my eye anymore. And then about 2 or 3 weeks ago, 3CE came out with their neon collection. It's called the Stranger Lights collection. And I figured it'll match my aesthetics. Especially my lime green shirt. I was like, ooh, we need to buy the whole collection. Spoiler alert, I kind of regret it. I don't regret it. It's definitely a collection I bought because of the packaging and not because I thought that the products would be new and innovative per se. Look at them. Look at it. Wait, I need to do the little thumbnail thingy. No, I'm not good at that. Shit. Basically, the collection is a collection of lipsticks, 4 lipsticks, and 4 of their multi-pot type collection things. These are like their cream blushes, but they can kind of be used all over the place, i.e. multi-pot. I have quite a few of these and I've always really liked these, so I figured it doesn't hurt to get more of them. Do some little swatches, tell you what I feel about the collection, maybe put some on my face because I feel like it's only appropriate. And yeah. From what I gather, each lipstick and each multi-pot are kind of color coordinated, which is kind of confusing because generally speaking, both colors will match each other, but they don't necessarily match the packaging. So unless you know what color it is you're looking for, the packaging generally does not correspond with the color inside. Granted, it's KBeauty, so I don't expect to see a lime green lipstick, but you know what I mean. If you don't know what color you're looking for, you might have a problem. Or if you only buy one, it should be fine. But if you're like me and don't know how to moderate, then you might be confused with this and all the other colors. So again, each color has a multi-pot, and one of the velvet lip colors, they're like a thin, slim lipstick that's like easy to carry and stuff, so that's really cool. This is a perfect example of like 2 colors that are just like, how did these end up together? This is Cool Tan, which is like a neon orange inside of a neon yellow packaging. This coordinating color is Show Around, which is a deep red inside of, again, yellow packaging. I might be wrong, but I'm noticing that these are both yellow, so I thought these would like correspond with each other. Actually, the colors in the other sets do. So again, a little confusing. Our green set is actually our nude Stephanic, which is like a peach pink nude. The lipstick going under, and it's like a stronger, more pigmented version of this. Honestly, I wouldn't get both. I feel like you can get one or the other and it'll do fine. Do you want it to be portable? Do you want it to be in this little pot format? It's the same color basically, so I wouldn't get both, but it's cute though. Red Plan, which is not really red, it's more like a, well, it's raspberry-y, and it's over now. Again, I wouldn't get both, but if you just want both because you're a weirdo like me, that's an option. And then Meerkat, which is our actual red blush, is in the orange packaging. And then our orange lipstick in the orange packaging, which is Lazy Bae. I could see how these could kind of coordinate. My whole point is that I don't understand how they coordinated this, but obviously it worked because my dumb self over here bought all of it. MULTIPOTS are 22,000 won, so approximately like $20. The lipsticks are 17,900, so around $16. Not super high, not super low. By the way, they each come in one of these little like packages, which I think is kind of cute. Like I can see myself using this for other things, maybe even putting all of the lipsticks in one of them. So yeah, basically this entire trip I've been wearing absolutely no makeup, so I think I'm due to put on like an actual full face of makeup. So I'm gonna set hair, do a little look for the children. Ooh, we getting real close. You getting too close to my lace. Hey. My lace stays on for days now. Shout outs to Megan. Shout out to Megan Bowen. She told me that I could just spray my wig and it'll stay down better than using the little gel stuff. My girl been late for days. I've been sweating. Oh, y'all like my nails? I realized they were in the last video, but I didn't really talk about them. Don't get your nails done in Korea, kids. They're cute. They were also almost $200. And I don't really want to talk about it. But it was almost $200 and I'm a little hurt about that. Oh, you don't need to see my lace. Okay. Going with our nudie pinky color because I feel like this is our safest bet. A little bit on the lid. While I do this, I will say I really like the multi-pot creams. They're like a very like matte cream, so they do work well on the lips, on the cheek. The only thing about the multi-pots, particularly in this collection, is that outside of the packaging, I don't really think this is a neon collection. Maybe it'll look more neon like on the face, but even while doing swatches, like the swatches that you guys see, those aren't neon. But while I get on this, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that came out to the meet and greet. I mentioned it briefly in the last video, but I didn't get a chance to like thoroughly thank people for coming. If you want to see like kind of what it looked like, I do have a vlog that I uploaded a few days ago on my vlog channel that kind of briefly showed it. So if you wanted to see what it was like, it was so freaking cool. Shout outs again to YesStyle, who was nice enough to put on the event. Whoa. This is so intense. It's kind of like a idol meet and greet. This is organized. We organized. It's not me. It's literally them. So again, shout outs to YesStyle. We had a great time. It was so much fun. You guys know I tend to get nervous about stuff like that, but it's so interesting to have video footage of me being nervous about stuff like that. While I was editing, I was just like, good Christ, Kendall, you don't know how to smile and be more like enthusiastic, but when I'm nervous, I don't even know if I was nervous. Is that the right word? But when I'm like anticipating something, I kind of like shut down emotionally editing it. And Tammy's like in the video being all encouraging and I'm just like, okay, thanks. It's more pink on the eyes than I thought it would be. This is Cool Tan and I'm just gonna pack that on in the inner corner, I guess. You girl's going avant-garde. She's going for a Cirque du Soleil look. Okay. The burgundy one, red plan. I feel like I can make it work though. I can. Because I believe in myself. I'm also mad caffeinated right now. This is probably a really bad idea. And then last but not least, our Meerkat, which is our actual red color. Gone out with a little bit of NARS Radiant Creamy. Running out, so I'm gonna cry a little bit. Yeah, I'm using the monitor. This is hard. Then going in with the Hourglass Stick Foundation in Golden Amber, but the problem is I haven't worn this since I got here, so this is probably the wrong color now. No. That still works. Like, this is the first time basically since my first day here that I put on foundation. Okay, I thought I could get away with not doing my eyebrows with this look, but that's not gonna work. This is returning me to like the early days of my beauty videos when I had to use natural lighting and everything looked so bad. It's kind of welcoming. I'm gonna put liner on. Again, this is the first time this entire trip. This is the Cleopatra liner from Oma. That helped. That helped a lot. Gonna go in with Red Plan. Put that like under the eye, the outer third. It needs glitter. 3CE gave me this thing because I think I bought too much crap, so they gave it to me. Duo Shadows in Potion Maker. I'm gonna use the pink one. I guess this is lavender. This is gonna look so weird, but it couldn't look worse than it does right now. Is it making me look skilled and lovable? No. That just made it look even worse. Going in with Mama Pat. This is Mothership 5. And I'm gonna take like these two, like rose goldy colors on the lid so that it's like, ooh, base age, yeah. Go in, go under. In the egg yolk. This will look, I don't know. We just gonna put a lot of mascara on. Ain't nobody gonna know you ugly if you put a lot of mascara on. Okay, I'm just gonna try to bronze away my shame. We looking real rough right now. Going in with Stephonic. Funk on you. Why did I put so much on? You know, I don't hate the eyes as much as I thought I did. Okay, I'm gonna go in with our nude because I figure whatever I do, I'm probably gonna build it on top of the nude. These are a lot smoother than the like standard blocky lipsticks that they have. I know some people found those ones to be a bit too dry, and they are pretty dry, but they stay on for a long ass time because of that, so I'm like conflicted. Those edges. And there's our base. Now, what do I want to do? How do I want to switch it up? How do I want to make it spicy? I think I'm gonna put some of our like raspberry color, the Over Now color, and maybe the red one also. We'll see. Ooh, yo, this combination is fire. Ooh, and it makes me want to do like that. Now I gotta fix my hair. I think that's a big problem. It's like, I don't know how to like enjoy this because my hair looks like I was like gone through the rent cycle. Ooh, okay, wait, maybe I'll do a little bit of the red one. Just a little bit. Bringing it like all the way up to my Cupid's bow because I want that to look bigger. And then the lower part of my lip too. My Espoir Glow Fix Mist. I'll be back. I'm gonna give myself some beachy waves. I'm gonna make it work. We gonna make a look. Okay, hold on. Okie dokie, so here is the lookie. So as far as the products go, do I recommend them? Yes, if you don't own any similar products from 3CE. I honestly don't feel that they're that different. Even the colors aren't particularly neon. It's just the packaging that's neon. So if you want it for that, that's cool. I still think they look cute. MULTIPOTS from 3CE are some of the best cream blushes I've ever used. I don't love them on the eyes. I can make them work, but I don't feel like that's where they shine. They're definitely more of a cream blush. I think it was the Take a Layer. Was it the Take a Layer line when these first came out? And I was like, oh, these are really, really good. I have a bunch of them at home, so this will be added to the collection. But even the colors, I don't feel like are all that different. I feel like even in the main line, I have colors that are very, very similar to all of these. Maybe not the orange one, but for the most part, all of these are in the main line. So going out of your way for this one in particular, I honestly just did because I'm in Korea and they released a line. So it was like, okay, well, while I'm here, I'll just pop in there the day after it came out. And I was like, ooh, I can be here when it comes out. And they're nice. Same thing with like the thinner velvet lipsticks. I actually don't think I own a whole lot of these. So going forward, maybe I'll buy a few more of these because I do really like the texture. But color wise, again, I feel like they're very standard in the 3CE line. I don't see any, at least in these four, that are very like revolutionary as far as colors in KBeauty and especially within 3CE, but it's cute. thumbnail. I still am not very good at this. That's the best you're getting from me. But yeah, do I like them? Yes, I really like them. I think, especially on the cheeks and the lips, they look really nice. On the eyes, I think the colors are a little funky, or I just didn't know what I was doing. That's probably more so it. I was just trying to work too hard. I feel like they don't layer great in such a small area, but if you layer it on the cheeks, because I've worn several, not this time, but I've worn several before on top of each other and they layer quite well, but just in this small area I think it's just too much product. But it layers really well on the lips, like the lipsticks blend together really well, and then on the cheeks the multi-pots do blend really well on top of each other. Also, I don't even know if these are technically eye safe, even though they call them multi-pots. I don't even know if they're supposed to be used on the eyes. With that said, I'm in Korea for about another week and a half. So if there's any releases that you guys are particularly interested in, let me know and I can like shop over there for you, because I want to capitalize on while I'm here, man. Not play those delivery prices, dude. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, did not mind the natural lighting, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media, Instagram and Twitter, both of which are KennieJD, and I'll see you guys next time.